I can't wait to introduce you to Lucas. He's studying political science and taking the time to discover his interests. EICC is helping him determine his future while having fun along the way thanks to student clubs and activities. There are over 40 to choose from across all of EICC's campuses, with many clubs tied into students' area of study. Take it away, Lucas.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, everyone? In high school, I stressed a lot about the future and what I was going to do after graduation. I knew I wanted a great career, but I didn't know how to execute this plan. I soon realized that EICC was the best first step in figuring out what's next. By doing my first 2 years at EICC, I'm taking care of my gen eds, and in the process, learning more about science, technology, leadership, and communication. I didn't like high school, but college is totally different. I love that I can take classes based on my interests while earning credits towards my bachelor's degree. I'm enjoying the same great education, expert faculty, long list of student services and activities, and spending way less than I would at a large university. When you aren't sure what you want to do or be, that big university price tag is quite a risk. The advisors and instructors at EICC are great at guiding students. They help me choose and sign up for classes, figure out financial plans, and discover my passions. There are times that not knowing worries me, but my advisor is available to listen and talk things through. At EICC, I balance my classes and enjoy college life. I like motivating and uplifting others, which is the whole focus of the Super Awesomeness Club. We're pretty active holding food drives, movie nights, and rallying behind anyone needing support. And I still have time to pursue my athletic passion with powerlifting and bodybuilding. I used to feel anxious about the future, not anymore. The education, experiences, and support I've received have changed my outlook. Now, I'm planning on transferring to the University of Iowa and earning a bachelor's in political science. That's all from me, Alex. Back to you.
We love how EICC is helping you develop a strong body and mind, Lucas. And the Super Awesomeness Club sounds, well, super awesome. I totally understand why it's one of the largest clubs on campus. EICC fosters such a great sense of community and belonging. Thanks again, Lucas.